name's Andrew Graham, and this is my 1995 CK1500. It came with a 305 V8, and I swapped that out with a 5.3 liter. Put a Brian Tooley racing cam in it, the truck Norris cam. Got rid of all the stock suspension, put QA1 front and rear, got rid of the leaf springs. Still got a lot of stuff to do. Want to put a locker in the rear end, got to get new A-arms up front, coilovers up front. The ride's good, runs good, never-ending projects. This was my first truck. When I turned 16, I had a 1995 Silverado, and it was lowered 4.6 on 16-inch center lines. Something I always wanted to do was put some real suspension on there and some real horsepower, and here we are. Texted Sean and wanted to know what mufflers he recommended and where I could go, and he said just bring it on down to the shop, and that was like best case scenario for me. He did 3-inch tubing all the way around, big muffler. I didn't want it too loud because I plan on driving this daily, and it came out incredible. It looks really good in person, the exhaust. Growing up, my dad on his Ford had a Gibson muffler on there, and I always liked it because it wasn't too loud. It just had that nice deep tone to it, you know, a good grunt, and that's what I wanted. I don't want something too loud. I just wanted something that sounded good. That nice Gibson tone is what I wanted, and that's what I got, and I'm happy with it.